Welcome back to my next video, and this video will be regarding the one of the program which is included in the bioinformatics platform, and we are discussing about the BLAST tool today. So BLAST is nothing but the basic local alignment search tool, and this particular search tool is used for the sequence alignment of the any biological sequence, which includes amino acid sequence or the protein sequences which has been included in the amino acids, and nucleotide sequence, that is the DNA or the RNA sequences. So in this particular platform, we are going to explore that how we can align the sequences with respect to our target of our interest. So we are going to move towards the demo session, but before moving towards the demo, just I'm going to explore you about this particular home page. So in Google, just include the search, that is the BLAST, and after that you will find the this particular home page. This particular home page will be include about what is BLAST program and what are the different options it has been provided to us for analysis of the particular sequence of our interest. So this you can see over here, that is a nucleotide BLAST. So here you have to give a search in the form of the DNA sequence, whereas here it will, that is the BLAST TX, you have to give the translated nucleotide sequence, and that here is the option, that is the T BLAST N. Here you have to provide the translated nucleotide sequence. So whereas this particular option you can find for the protein BLAST, and also this per protein BLAST you have to give the protein sequence in the form of amino acids, and this particular options they have also been provided to us. So if you are interested for the genome analysis of any of the particular organism, for example human, mouse, rat and microbes, so this particular four organisms they have been given. So if you're interested for the analysis of the overall all the genome sequences by using the BLAST algorithm, so you can use this particular different tabs with respect to your search of your interest. And you can see the particular BLAST option will provide you the downloadable options. They have given you the even more specialized search with respect to your search of your interest, that is a smart BLAST and the primer BLAST if you're working with respect to primer designing. Global BLAST, global BLAST is nothing but the it will align the global sequence of the particular target which you have been given with respect to, that is the Needleman and Wunsch algorithm. And you can find the multiple options over here, that is multiple alignment or the other different search with respect to your interest. So I will show you how we can give the particular search from here. So you have to give the particular sequence from here. You have to click on the nucleotide BLAST or the protein BLAST. So today I'm going to explore about the nucleotide BLAST. Just click on the nucleotide BLAST tab, and afterwards you will find this particular page. This particular page will show you the information with respect to how you can give the search option over here. You have to give in the form of accession number, GI number or the FASTA sequence of the particular DNA sequence. So here you have to give the ATGC sequence from here. So after that you have to, even you can give this file in the form of the choose option, that is a choose file option, and the number of different search options they will provide to you in the form of the what type of search you want to do, that is a non-redundant or the genomic variant or the different particular search options. So default you have to choose that is a non-redundant data sets, and it will align the sequence based on the non-redundant data sets which has been stored over here. So after that you will find the program selections. So here you have to give different programs over here and directly give click on the BLAST. So I will give one sequence from here. So how you have to give the sequence for that, you have to go towards the NCBI nucleotide database and you have to search one gene name over here. After giving the gene name, you have to see for the particular FASTA sequence. So I will take a small sequence from here, that is 271 base pair, and I will click on the FASTA format. So that's the FASTA format of the particular sequence. So here also the one of the options, that is a run blast, you can click, or you can copy this particular FASTA sequence and you can paste in this particular search which has been provided. So here I have given the particular run blast option, so it will align the sequence based on the particular options what we have provided. Then click on the blast option. I have clicked on the blast option, then it will align the sequence. It will take uh, less than minimum 1 minute if our sequence is in the short length, and it will refresh the page automatically based on the what sequence what we have given. And here you can see the alignment has been done, and after the alignment is done you will find certain information with respect to the sequence what we have been provided based on the database, that is a non-redundant query ID and the description of the particular gene and how many length it is. So here other multiple sequence alignment viewer is also provided. If you are interested you can click on that. Next you can find the major important thing what actually the blast is giving to us is that is the 100 sequence has been selected based on the match and based on the scores which they have been given. So here you can find the how much query it has been covered, the total number of sequences score and the maximum score, and with respect to the e value they have given. Based on that they have also calculated the percentage of identity with that particular sequences, and based on that the scores has been given, and they have given the top 100 sequence which has been aligned. You can find the graphical view for that particular sequences from here. For the 10 100 sequences what it has been scored, you will get the alignments for that. So here is the alignments of all the sequences with respect to what target sequence which we have been given, and even you can find the taxonomy of that. So that's the use of this particular blast algorithm. You can get the sequences length with respect to the alignment score, and you can also move towards the distance tree results or the multiple sequence alignment viewer. So you can get the overall different alignment with respect to the scores, and the sequences has been matched with the particular sequence what we have been given. So that's the flow of the blast algorithm with respect to the search what we have given, that is the nucleotide sequences. So thank you.